Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in a store, as you guys can see, and I shouldn't have done it. First of all, Janice made me spend money. Me and I are in here, and literally we didn't even pick up a trolley. That's all serious it is. We just wanted to come in, take a look, and leave. So that I'm gonna show you guys, because HomeGoods is so lit right now. I'm telling you. So look at this. Guys, just take a look at this right now. Right? Look at this. You know my bathroom is yellow. So this right here, even though January is no spending month, but I came in here just to get this for my business. So the business get a pass because I needed one more of these to put on the other side. Get the same one, right? Now I see these towels. The kids' bathroom is black and white. So when I see these with the little tassels, I was like, oh my God, this is cute. So I have to change their towels in their bathroom. So I did pick up two of these. Also, I found it in the yellow. My bathroom is yellow. It has the tassels. So I have two big ones and I have two smaller size. I was looking for white because the kids' bathroom is black and white, but they don't have any white. And right now, HomeGoods is lit. At this hour, everything is so beautiful. I did see the set that I have for the kids' bathroom, which is this set right here. But these are so pretty, you know, so cute. Everything is looking nice. It's so serious, guys. I don't even have a trolley. You realize I don't have a trolley because I didn't come in here to spend. I did not come in here to spend. So this is my trolley because it has wheels. I'm going to buy this for my business to put the new stuff, my eyeshadow base and more lipstick, because I have new lipstick. Like when I take them from the storage, like I take a couple, maybe 100 of each or 200 of each, and I just place them and label the drawers. So I can put some stuff in that. But look at this painting. It is beautiful. HomeGoods is lit right now, guys. Lit, lit, lit. Stay tuned. I'm going to walk around and see if I see anything else. This piece is beautiful. One more than I got them something in my house. Oh, this is also a nice piece for your living room, on a book or so. But this piece is nice. I'm just not spending no more money right now. That piece is good. That's where me left my bag. So guys, I'm just in the store. We're actually looking for yellow piece. Oh, I did put two right where my bag is. So we have this and these two. Let me use this card because I don't see nobody touch it. Let me just rest them in the cart. persons who use white. You know, black and white is beautiful. You can add a little silver or gold. I would work with the matte colors more because it's more modern. Yeah, for a lot of people who don't know, it's more modern. These stuff. Just wait, people. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store, but I just can't show it to you right now because we have so much working on and so much dealing with. But where did I see some gold stuff? Oh my god, wait guys. People, I have this. Is it the same color? Janice, this is what, black, right?
Yeah. But it's
girl,
I'm returning it.
Why?
Because it was too much.
Mine is gray. I should have get a black. Me should have get. Mine is more grayish blue. So they have all three colors. You realize? They have no. This one look like the gray. Is this black?
I bought the ginger jar. Yeah, that's true. Girl, I bought all three of them. The big one.
I have these guys. The big one is there. I have all of them, but mine is in a grayish color. I didn't show you guys that room as yet, which a clipping is missing. So I'm kind of pissed off, but I don't think this one is the one that I have, the grayish one to match my gray stuff. This is black. But why did you return it? Why you return the black? So guys, look at this. This can go on a tub. We're gonna get this. We're gonna spray the white area with black in a matte color and just cut sheep on the tub. She's gonna look cute. Yeah, these are the two that we're working with. I took up another shape, so that's the color. It more look like bright yellow, but it's have a more mustard look in person. And then this black one. We want the matte look because the matte look is gonna fit rather the bathroom. Yeah, the more glassy look is more like in a living room or dining area. So this is what we're working with. We're still looking. Guys, you see this pink lamp? This was the lamp for Queen and Kyra's room, right? But never buy it. End up get another one, which this is the one I liked from the get-go. Let me show it to you guys right here. This is it. But Jenny said, no, you don't need it. It's so funny. They broke the lamp and I have to glue it with Gorilla Glue. But she said, no, you don't need it. See, I told them I could have taken one and left one for somebody else. But no money not there. This hour, $50. It's about $53 with taxes. So I could have just put she down in one part for and then lick it over again. But we're not going to take it. I don't know if you keep it. We're not going to take it. Let's look. And they don't need nothing. For them room, don't need nothing. But HomeGoods full of things in the night, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Huh? Use it again. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah. Not my style though. This is more me. More kids like. You know, change up the kids' room and make it have a little different feel than the old theme. But I think this is it. This is it. We're done now. Unless we're going over Marshall's area. We're in Winter Gardens. So guys, there's a rug that I saw and a couple. Just if Janice did buy the rug, you see, but she said too big. The people the people take up the rug when they hear me talk about it. I come back over here and they weren't looking at it. But this is it. We are done. Okay guys, I am home. I'm super tired. I'm exhausted. I'm actually in the kids' bathroom right now because I did get two other stuff. I'm not sure if you guys saw them, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. These are from HomeGoods. I redecorated the kids' bathroom. I won't show it to you guys because I did record it. I'm just waiting on another piece to come by, and then I forgot I might go back and get, I actually end up getting 2 more extra towels to change around. So I'm going to show you the ones I have before. I'm waiting on the tassels of Amazon. The hooks for the shower came, so I did change those already. I think right here is missing something, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get me something for the wall. So I'm going back to HomeGoods and get something for the wall right here. I might put something else over this wall that we're looking at right here, so I might put something else there. But in the meantime, I don't want to show you guys the bathroom as yet. I'll definitely give you an idea of what I'm working with. So I end up with this right here. This is so cute. This is black. And I also end up with this. Look how fair nose look like mine. So I have those 2 stuff right here, which is this and this black one right here. So I'm gonna go back. I might get me a thing with just like a face, something more modern, because as I go along I will be changing out a lot of stuff in the house. I will not say that I have something coming. I have something big coming, so you guys will see the transition for that. Well, we have something big coming, so you guys will definitely see the transition for that. But I don't want to step on my own corn, so I will not say anything. But yes, I'm waiting to get the girls bathroom in order. I really do like this. I think it's more for my bathroom, but I'm not so much into the pink and those colors anymore. But yeah, we just went. I was not supposed to buy anything. I went on the road literally to look something for Olivia's birthday. I realized that I'm not prepared for her birthday, so I'm end up not going. I end up not going to get her something, in which I don't think a 1-year-old really needs something. They get something from Christmas, she's not even really using it. So I really don't think she really needs anything as a 1-year-old. We just gotta give thanks that my baby reached 1 or will turn 1. Super thankful for that. I'm blessed for that. So yeah, I was not supposed to spend any money. I'm kind of shocked because when the lady cashed me, because I really bought something for my business, right? And when she cashed me and it reached $100, I'm like, did you cash that? And she was like, yeah. I'm like, oh my God. So enough of that, but just wait for it, okay? Wait for it. Anyway, guys, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you always remember that God is love. It's a new year, and we are just going to be thankful. Keep the mindset on the positivity. We ain't got time for nothing else but to stay positive, mind our own business, mind the business that pays us, and just keep it going. We got kids to feed, so we gonna get it, okay? All year, every year. Make sure you guys stay prayed up. Make sure you guys, just stay blessed. Just have some faith. Something around one corner, just bring it from around the corner, pull it from around the corner, and let it comes in your hand. Because not just me alone, not just she alone, not just him alone, not just my brothers and sisters, we're all blessed. We're all God's people. So just keep the energy right and big up on yourself. In the meantime, until my next video, God is love. Bye.